if Cardoso doesn't go through, and I don't wanna say it light, or I don't want it to sound light. If Cardoso doesn't make it through to the next round, he needs to be sacked. He needs to be fired on the spot with immediate effect. Yeah, understand? Because of he hasn't done anything. Don't tell me Guti arrived last season and he won the league. The league for Mamelodi Sundowns is the prerequisite. It's something that we know that is coming. You understand? They sacked Rolani because of he didn't win Champions League. You understand? So if Mikel Cardoso doesn't go through, even if no Mangaya through, if he doesn't win the Champions League, don't tell me if Mhlambuzo winning Nedbank or Uzobe winning league in Nedbank. We don't care. If Mikel Cardoso does, because of at this point, he mandated for Mamelodi Sundowns is Champions League. Yes, they care about the league, but they don't care as much as they care about the Champions League.
Yeah.
I understand. Don't tell me about the Nedbank Cup. If Cardoso doesn't go through, he needs to be sacked with immediate effect, because of at the end of the day, he's made that team worse.